All right, this is another one like the one that we just that we did before, where we had these angles. Now, this one is a little bit more difficult to read just because it's a small shape, but this refers to this angle here. That 2x minus 7 refers to this part of that angle, and the 125 is angle T here. Now, if I just took angle S, this angle right here, and add it to angle T, that big angle S, what should I get? 180 degrees. Now, angle S is broken up into two parts. So I need to add those two parts together to figure out what the big angle is. So kind of like the problems that we did here, where it was 60 plus 52 plus an x was equal to 180. That's the exact same thing that we have to do here. It's just a little bit more complicated because it has like 2x plus 14 instead. So let's take the 2x plus 14, and then I have 2x minus 7. Add those things together. What's 14 minus 7? What's 2x plus 2x? 4x. Now, that's going to give me this entire big angle here. So this is equal to the measure of angle RST. So that's that big angle. If I take that 4x plus 7 and add it to 125, what should it be equal to? 180 degrees. So 7 plus 125, that'd be plus 132 is equal to 180. Yep. Subtract 132. So I get 4x is equal to 48. Now, divide that by 4. Divide that by 4. X is equal to 12. Now, we want to figure out what TSR actually is. I can go ahead and I can plug in 12 to X in both of these cases, add them up. But if let's just go ahead and do that. So 2 times 12 plus 14, that's 24 plus 14, which is 38. Then 2 times 12 minus 7, which is 17. Add those guys together, 38 plus 17 is 55 degrees. So that's one way to do it. Anybody know a different way to do it? Oh, sorry. There's actually an easier way to do it. The easiest way to do this is angle TSR plus this angle here is 180 degrees. If you subtract the 125 from both sides, you're going to get 55. That's another way to do it. It's a lot easier. But this way, if you wanted to build this second angle and then add them together to be equal to 180, that's fine too. But since we don't really need to do that, and it it didn't even say to find x, because we didn't need to find x, we just needed to find that angle measure. We could have kind of sidetracked the x's if we wanted to. So there's this way to do it, or there's this way to do it. And so I wanted to show you both ways.